Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, Lazi-Low Collectibles. And today we have another car for restoration, and this is a Corgi Junior's Triumph TR7. Well, there's not much paint left on this car and the wheels are a bit damaged. So this is a very well played car, but this is perfect for the restoration because this is just can turn out better than it is now. And this is a nice car, and I will look up what sort of color I should use on this one, and we'll see how it turns out. So let's get started and let's see what we can do with this one. As soon as I touched the car, the wheels snapped off, both of them, both front and rear. So at least I don't need to worry about the wheels. So it looks like I have to make new axles. And yeah, this car is in a bad state, but the joy will be bigger at the end when it's gonna be done. So pretty worn, plastic base, and I think the suspensions are broken as well a little bit, so there will be a lot of work on this car. So let's waste no time. I stripped the paint off, and this one snapped, so I glued it back together. I'm gonna work a little bit on it, and then the car is actually ready for priming. So let's see if I can make this look better a little bit. I just put the first coat of primer, and I'm already happy with what I see, because you cannot see that I glued it together. So I'm really happy with that one. It looks like that I've done a good job on this one. So let's see when this one dries up if I have to do another coat, or I can put the main color on the car. So that looks pretty good. I also find a pair of Matchbox wheels, which I think I'm gonna use on this car, because the other one was so rusty that it snapped off immediately. And because they are really rusty, I can't get the metal out of it. So I think I'm gonna use this. It's exactly the same wheel, so it will do the job. But first, a nice little bath for these things. So here we have our Corgi finished. It wasn't easy, but at the end it's done. So I repainted the base black as it was. It's plastic, so I didn't do much with this one. And I also left the interior as it was, because for the red car it will look good. I polished up the windscreen, not too bad, it's alright, at least it's in one piece. And I decided that I'm going to swap the wheels because the other ones were snapped, they were so rusty. So I'm going to use these wheels. These are from a Matchbox 1985 model, but they fit the car. And here we have the body finished. I did painted it Ford red and sprayed it with the clear finish. And I looked up on internet and this is what I find. So this is the most common Triumph. I painted the grills black, the petrol tank cap silver, and the door silver and black. And I know it's not you're not gonna see it, but I did paint the indicators orange. So let's put the car together, because I'm really curious how it's gonna look. And while I put the car together, I also would like to say that since I've started the video, I reached 200 subscribers, and I think at the moment I'm 209 or 10. So I would like to say a big thank you for my newer subscribers and my old subscribers as well, that they keep coming back and watching my videos. I'm really happy for that, and this gives me a big motivation to carry on. I really do enjoy this hobby now, which I picked up again. And thank you for coming, and keep this good habit. Come back and please comment, like for my new videos, also my older videos as well. Thank you. The car is now finished. I put the 4 screws in and I put the car together. I think it looks fantastic, and I cannot believe how nice this car turned out compared to what we started with. I think it's a nice small model from Corgi, and I really, well, this was a headache, but now I did enjoy it because this tested my skills. So I hope you guys like this car and this restoration, and if yes, please give me a thumbs up and also leave some comments for me down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe as well. And again, I would like to thank all to my new and previous subscribers to support my channel. And if you like this video, come back for more. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye bye.